This is Hunter. He's singing a rap because I had a terrible fucking night.
What the fuck it doing? Young Hunter J, and you know I'm getting tuned in. Goonie tunes, bitch, but I ain't no cartoon, bitch. My gun's strong on the scene, bitch. Shoot him in his neck, have him feeling like a death wish. But my sister, man, brought that shit up to my attention. Like, hey, bitch dipped him. She dipped him. Now I gotta dip this nigga up in some Molly Pox him. Molly Pox C. No IB. On that oxy what I see. All GB in the clouds where I be. All fucked up. Chillin' with my dog. Fuck that shit, man. Can't see like this fog. What the fuck you blowing? Smoking on it loud so I can hear what the fuck you saying cause it's potent. Fuck that shit. I just go with it. Killing this shit every day. I don't give a fuck what bitch niggas got to say. Without the AK, it's in the trunk. But I'm doing this for my sister, man, cause I don't give a fuck. Hey, and I'm straight spitting ruckus with it. Fuck a witness. Man, fuck a witness. Leave his ass in the dish, bitch. Fuck this shit, man. Got the rollie on me. Fuck that shit, man. Coming up, double cupped up. Drinking on my lean, so I'm disappear on the scene. Oh no, where we go? That boy's a goner. I kill this shit every day like Eon did. And I'ma smoke on that loud shit. And I'ma blow it proud, bitch. Fuck what he got to say. I'm Chicago, what the fuck you got to really say? Cause I got bloods coming my way. Hey, and if you think you real, come down my way. Hey, with me, my sister B at chillin' with the B cast. Man, see that we ain't no rats. We don't give a fuck. Man, if he dipped us, we dip his ass up. Shout out to David. You a bitch, nigga. I'll put you in the lake like Raven. I don't give a fuck. You a rat. I take your head off and your hat. Ha. Cause you a bitch, nigga. You dipped on my sister. Now I'm coming for your man. I ain't even give a fuck about the minister. I take him too. Cause my mind's sinister. I see you and your bitch too. And it's done for you and your family. Cause you done fucked up. And that shit, you may think it's dandy, but it really ain't. I don't fuck with that shit. Go wild right your way and I'm ruckus with you, bitch. Let me jam on the beat. Hey, shout out to my nigga Brandon. Up in the sky. You read the shit dead to the dad. That shit real sad, but I'm kinda glad. Cause I got been a couple summers with them way back. Smoking on the wine Rillo. Man, and you know we always keep it real with the real hoes. And we just go.